All right, I'm gonna demo how to use the First Step app, a great app to help you get the first step done. It's done by Smart Productivity Apps, and it's great tools for you to get efficient. Like Albert Einstein said, he says nothing happens until something moves. It's very much true for the First Step app as well. You gotta engage. You gotta start taking steps. So let's say my task here is to clean out garage. Clean out garage. I do that capitalized. I say done. Okay, let's say I want to start this April 5th, and I want to be done with it April 10, because it's a big project. First thing I need to do is to get boxes from store. Okay, so I gotta start that project. I'm gonna that is my first step. Okay, first step I need to do. All right, so I'm gonna go forward. Is this a critical, urgent, important, or not so important task? That depends on what color coding I will get on my task. So I'm going to say, well, it's urgent. So that's going to be in orange. You will see that in a second here now. You get an orange color up here, and here's where you have the task listed out here. And here's the first step. Well, I want to add a step. I tap on add, and I said the next step that I'm going to do is to ask, let's see now, ask John, or that's how you spell his name, John, for a container. I need a big container to gather my stuff. This needs to be done. Actually, I want to ask him today, actually, and I want that done by at least 5 o'clock today. Now I get 2 steps here. As you see, you can build steps going down. Now, let's say if I want to ask John for the container first, I can actually edit, and I can move this up so it becomes number 1, and then it changes the number here as well. I can also delete a step, but in this case I'm not going to do that. Then I can also set an alarm, but I'll show you just how we go through this. Here's the task again. Now I want to give myself a reward. If I do this, I will say, okay, buy myself a new soccer ball. How's that if I complete this task? If I don't, I'll have to do 100 push-ups a day. 100 push-ups a day until I complete it. Okay, I'm going to save that. It goes right back to going for a new task again. I'm going to go to existing tasks now to see what tasks I have here. And here you can see the color coding. Yellow, orange, red. Red is the most critical one. Orange is urgent. So I can actually arrange them in priority level. Then I get all the ones that are urgent up top and the less urgent further down. So these are the tasks. Now I can also take a look at my steps. I can tap on steps. Those are the individual things. So here you could see a clean out garage like I mentioned earlier. There's 2 steps there. So let's say I tap on this one. I could see the different steps I have here. Okay, and I have set an alarm here. Let's say if I wanted to set an alarm here as well, I can tap on this one here, right here, and it'll give me an option to set an alarm here, and I'm going to set that for April 5th. And I can also remove these. If you want to share it, you could share it with email or Twitter or Facebook to kind of keep yourself accountable. I want to save this now, and here I can also sort the data in terms of priority by tapping here. Let's say I want to see the ones that are in yellow urgency level, then I can see that. Now I'll also check them off here if I want to, and get rid of them, so to speak. Let's see here now, what else? Let's see if I want to say that this one got done too, then I completed a few steps there, and I can see which steps are completed, and I can also make them active again if I want to. That's what happened on the other screen. Sorry if I went a little fast there. I can go back, and I can also see existing tasks, or I could start looking at I can start edit them again too, and I could decide if I want to go to the task itself or the step. Most often you go back to the step, so I'm going here. That's the First Step app. Hopefully this gave you a good idea of what you can use it for yourself, and please feel free to come back and use this app and let us know what you think. I would love to get a review and a comment back as to if you like it, what you'd like to see improvements, or what have you. Thanks again. Welcome to the first step. Oh, yeah, if you want to set the alarm and stuff like that, you can do so here too by tapping this one. You can turn sounds on and off, and also see an intro screen if you want to see that as well. You can slide this one over. All right, guys, hope this helps. Take care.